Crazy, right? Crazy? Psychotic, even? How Channel 20 should be operated. Such a CB tough guy. Howard Stern of Channel 20. King of the CB. Detroit Dirty. Roberto. Little Tippy Poo, 382.
Waving.
Hey, look, man, you got a copy on me? I got a question. I got a copy on you coming up on, what am I coming up on? Joy Road in, Inkster. No, yeah, Inkster. Yeah, 10-4. When you're at home, can you hear me? Do I make it over top of that Brighton Hill? Yep, I can hear all you guys out there. I got good ears. I just don't have, I don't have a big signal. I don't burn that much power. Yeah, it seems like that's kind of my limit, man, is that Brighton Hill. It's kind of hard for me to get past that hill, right? Same thing. I'm just the other side of it. So there's about 100 foot of elevation between me and that hill. So I can hear some people, but I get south, I get north, I get west. I mean, I talk all the way up to Mount Morris the other way. It's crazy. Wow, that's incredible. Yeah, it's just because we're all the same elevation. You guys are so much lower on this side. I think I'm at 750, Brighton's at 950, and you guys are all the way down here like 650, maybe even less. Yeah, 10-4, man. You have a good day, man. Have a good weekend. Enjoy the family this weekend, and take care, okay? We'll catch up with you. I'm going to keep trying to train my little chihuahua over here while I'm on this side of town, but I do have a stop in Ann Arbor later, so I'll be heading out early. Yeah, I thought I heard you a few times, though, trying to get back. Not recently, but I heard you trying to get back from over there before. Yeah, if you had a flat side and I had a flat side, I'd talk all the way down to 75 and by the bridge there. So it can be done flat to flat, but vertical's too hard. There's too much between us. Yeah, for sure. All right, man, we'll catch up with you. I talked flat to flat the other day, and he could hear me. He had to call me on the phone, but he was all the way up in Gladwin, so that was about 95 miles. But I got a 4-hour flat tire. Wow, Gladwin, that's a hell of a trip, even from Brighton, you know. All right, man. Stay warm. It's going to be a nice day. You know, he chased everybody away. He got the channel. Yeah, you know, his station don't really bother me, man. I mean, he's got no punch, right? He's got no punch. I've been listening to other bands anyway. All right, I'll catch you later. All right, man, number 9. Catch you later. Good morning, bartender. How you doing over there, man? How's mama? Well, good, man. I'm glad to hear that you're taking care of her. All right, buddy. Tell her I said hello, man. I'll catch you guys. All right, man.